Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous Christmas decor. This year I'm planning on doing a winter wonderland decoration in my homes, which is why I'm using the whites and the grays, but feel free to use the colors of your choice. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I have plenty more ideas and you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get creating. So for my first project, I'm going to be using this Christmas tree wooden cutout that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the silver paint to paint it. And I'm only painting the back side, not the front. Okay, now that I painted the back side of this, I'm just gonna sit it aside, let it dry, and I'm going to take this picture frame that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna remove the circle part, and I'm only going to use the bottom part, and I'm also gonna paint it gray. Now that my paint is dry, I'm going to be using this foil paper. It's silver, it's kind of like glitter silver, and I'm going to glue it to the front of my Christmas tree, and for this I will be using Mod Podge. And now we just cut out the shape, cut out the excess of paper. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to take a 2-row strip of diamond wrap, and I'm going to glue it all the way around the edges of my Christmas tree. I'm also going to decorate my base with a 2-row strip of my silver diamond wrap. And now I'm going to glue it to my Christmas tree. I'm just going to glue it to the back. So let me show you what it's looking so far. Next, I'm going to be taking some of these silver snowflake stickers, and I'm just going to glue them on my tree. Now I'm going to take this snowflake ornament that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm only going to use the front part, so I'm just going to take it apart and use only this part as a star for my tree. Next, I'm going to be taking these mini ornament balls that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be gluing 3 of them on the base of the tree. Now I'm going to be using these self-adhesive rhinestone stickers, and I'm going to glue them right in the middle of each snowflake and randomly around the tree. Now I'm going to be taking this plaque that I got from Michael's, and I'm going to be painting it the same color as my tree, which is a metallic gray. Now that the paint is dry, I'm going to use the same ornament, the other part of the snowflake that I used for the start of my tree, and I'm going to glue this right on the center of my plaque. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to glue my Christmas tree right on the center of that snowflake. Now I'm going to take this snowman, which I also found on Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue it here. Now I'm going to take a 2-row strip of my silver diamond wrap, and I'm going to glue it all the way around my plaque. I forgot to do this earlier, so I'm going to do it now. And here you have it, my friends. Look how gorgeous my Christmas tree looks. It's absolutely beautiful. I am very pleased with the way it turned out. I hope you like it too. And now moving on to project number 2. We're going to create these beautiful candle holders. For these candle holders, you're going to need 4 candlestick holders, and you also find these at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint them white. Here are, I already painted them. And then I am going to decorate them. And to decorate them, I will be using this ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree. It's kind of white and glittery, really beautiful. And I'm just going to cut a piece, and I'm going to glue it around here. And I will do that for all 4 of them. Now I'm going to be using this Snowflake lever punch, and I'm going to cut out a few snowflakes using this foil paper, and I'm going to use those snowflakes to decorate my candle holders. Now I'm going to glue 2 of these candle holders together using E6000 and hot glue. The E6000 gives it a permanent hold, while the hot glue glues it faster. Let me show you what it's looking so far. It looks very pretty. I love the look with the snowflakes. And here's the other one that I glued before. Now I'm going to decorate my glass bowls, and for this I'm going to be using these flower stickers that I got from Michael's. Alright, let me show you what they look like. And now I'm going to glue my bowls to the candlestick holders. Next, I'm going to be using the same ribbon I used earlier to decorate my candles, and for this I'm just going to glue a piece right in the middle of my candle. And now I'm going to be using this Snowflake 1.5 inch lever punch, and the other one that I used earlier, the small one, is 5/8 of an inch. You'll find this at Michael's, and I'm going to be cutting out more snowflakes, just a little bigger, to decorate my candles. Now for the final touch, all I have to do is add my candles, and look how beautiful my candle holder set turned out. They are absolutely beautiful. I will be using these for my Christmas decorations this year. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friend, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.